Walking in a number 8 pattern inside a small room or a small place inside our home compound or terrace is one of the easiest and safest exercises for senior citizens. It needs very little space, no costly equipment, and can be done slowly at your own comfort level. When we walk straight, the body moves in only one direction. But in figure 8 walking, the body gently turns left and right continuously. This activates the brain, balance system, legs, hips, and spine together. Main benefits of figure 8 walking. 1. Improves balance. While turning in an 8 shape, the body learns to balance naturally. This can help senior citizens reduce fear of falling, improve body coordination, gain confidence while walking. Slow turning movements train the brain and legs to work together better. 2. Keeps the brain active. Figure 8 walking is not just physical exercise, it is also brain exercise. The brain must judge direction, control turning, maintain balance, coordinate both legs. This gentle brain activity may help improve concentration, alertness, memory sharpness. Many senior citizens feel mentally refreshed after this walking practice. 3. Good exercise in small space. Even a small hall, room, terrace, or parking area is enough. No need for big walking track, park, gym, expensive equipment. You can place 2 chairs, 2 water bottles, 2 small objects, and walk around them in a figure 8 shape. 4. Strengthens legs and joints. Regular figure 8 walking gently exercises knees, ankles, hips, calf muscles, thigh muscles. Because the movement is smooth and slow, it is easier on joints compared to fast walking. 5. Improves body flexibility. Turning left and right naturally rotates waist, spine, shoulders. This reduces body stiffness caused by sitting for long periods. Senior citizens who do regular indoor walking often feel lighter and more flexible. 6. Helps blood circulation. Walking improves blood circulation throughout the body. Circulation may help reduce stiffness, warm up the body, improve energy levels, reduce tiredness. Morning and evening practice can make the body feel active. 7. Useful during rainy season or hot weather. Sometimes outdoor walking becomes difficult because of rain, excessive heat, pollution, traffic, mosquitoes. Figure 8 walking indoors becomes a very useful alternative. You can safely continue daily exercise without missing your routine. 8. Supports breathing and relaxation. Slow walking with deep breathing creates calming effect. It may help reduce stress, relax the mind, improve breathing rhythm, create positive mood. Some senior citizens combine it with prayer, mantra chanting, music, Timer-based walking. How to practice. Keep two objects about 4-6 feet apart. Walk around them in a figure 8 shape. Start slowly for 3 to 5 minutes. Gradually increase to 10-20 minutes. Keep the body relaxed. Breathe normally. Wear comfortable footwear if needed. Safety tips. Walk slowly in the beginning. Keep floor dry and obstacle-free. Use wall or chair support if balance is weak. Stop if dizziness occurs. Consult doctor if severe knee or balance problems exist. Simple conclusion. Figure 8 walking is a small exercise with big benefits. It improves balance, coordination, circulation, flexibility, and mental alertness, all within the comfort of a small room. For senior citizens, this can become a daily health habit, a gentle meditation, a safe indoor exercise, a joyful movement practice. Even 10 minutes every day can make a positive difference. In figure 8 walking, direction is important because the body should turn on both sides equally. You can start from left side first and complete a few rounds. Then reverse and start from right side. This balances left and right body movement, brain coordination, hip and spine rotation. Do not walk only in one direction for a long time. Changing direction helps avoid strain on one knee or hip. Best time for figure 8 walking. Morning time, very good. Morning walking is excellent because mind is fresh. Body becomes active for the day. Breathing feels better. Helps reduce morning stiffness. Many senior citizens enjoy early morning calmness. Helps relax the body after the day's activities. Reduce stress. Improve sleep quality. Keep body active after sitting long hours. Useful. Thank you.